Have you ever wondered about the tiny red fruit that promises a powerhouse of nutrients? Meet the goji berry, a vibrant, sweet-tasting staple in traditional medicine, with a reputation that spans centuries. From its roots in ancient China to the smoothie bowls of modern wellness cafes, this so-called superfood has captured the attention of health enthusiasts around the world. But what makes goji berries truly special? Dive into the world of goji berries with us as we uncover the facts behind the hype and explore how you can incorporate them into your daily diet. Surprisingly, recent studies show that goji berries contain 500 times more vitamin C per weight than oranges, making them a potent source of nutrition. Are you ready to give your health a tasty boost? Stay tuned until the end to discover all the remarkable health benefits of goji berries and why they might just be the perfect addition to your wellness routine. Goji berries, also known as wolfberries, originate from the tranquil valleys of the Himalayan regions in China and Tibet, where they have been revered in traditional medicine for their health-promoting properties for thousands of years. Although goji berries are prized for their health benefits, they can cause allergic reactions in some people, including symptoms like itching and hives. It's wise to introduce them gradually and consult a healthcare provider if you have concerns about allergies or medication interactions. Let's delve into the myriad of health benefits that goji berries offer, from boosting immune function to enhancing overall vitality. Goji berries are celebrated for their rich nutritional profile and diverse health benefits. Here are 10 notable health benefits of goji berries. Boosts immune system. Goji berries are high in vitamins A and C, both of which are crucial for building immunity and preventing illnesses. Antioxidant properties. They contain high levels of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Improves skin health. The beta-carotene in goji berries promotes skin health and may contribute to a reduced risk of skin disorders and UV radiation damage. Supports eye health. Rich in zeaxanthin and lutein, goji berries can help protect against age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration. Energy booster, often used in traditional medicine to increase energy and vitality. Incorporating goji berries into your diet may help improve energy levels and stamina. Help stabilize blood sugar. They can help control blood sugar release into the bloodstream, which is particularly beneficial for managing diabetes. Supports healthy liver function. Goji berries have been traditionally used to support liver health and promote detoxification. Enhances mood. The berries are sometimes referred to as happy berries because of their potential to improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Anti-inflammatory effects. Goji berries have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body, aiding in the prevention of inflammatory diseases. Supports weight loss. Their high fiber content helps maintain a feeling of fullness and reduces appetite, which can aid in weight management. Adding goji berries to your diet can offer these benefits among others, making them a potent and healthful addition to a balanced diet. As we wrap up our exploration of the impressive health benefits of goji berries, remember that while they are a nutritional powerhouse, they may cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Always approach them with caution, especially if you're trying them for the first time. If you enjoyed learning about goji berries and found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below with your thoughts or experiences with goji berries. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps us create content that you want to see. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more health insights.